a very important topic for your upcoming prelims examination, and that is Kardashev scale. Now this scale has been given by a Russian astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, and this was given in 1964. The idea is very interesting. This scale actually measures the amount of or the level of technological advancement of a civilization. Now when we say technological advancement of the civilization, this scale is exclusively based on amount of energy it is able to create and harness. So there are four types of civilizations which have been identified under this scale. The first type of civilization is a civilization which actually has access to all the available energy on the planet and can be stored for consumption. Now hypothetically, this would be able to control any event which occurs, for example earthquake, natural disasters, volcanic eruptions. So this is basically a hypothetical stage, but we all are progressively trying to reach that hypothetical stage. The next is a stage where we are trying to consume the energy from a star. This star could be a sun, and this could be done through the use of Dyson sphere. The next stage is a stage where the energy emitted from the galaxy is being utilized, and this is actually with the every object that's there. So every star, black hole, etc. could have and utilizes energy. The next stage of the energy is a type of stage where there would be wide range of consumption powers. Now this could be in the form of food consumption. This could be in the form of computational growth. So rather than using the only metrics of the amount of energy, that amount of energy harnessed and used could be utilized at a broader spectrum. And then we also talk about the level 5. There is also a level 2. There are also anti-Kardashev scales which are given that talks about 1 minus, 2 minus, 3 minus types and so on. So this was an interesting topic, really a different research that has been brought, and we'll be covering many such topics interesting and important for your upcoming examinations. Stay tuned for more sections. Thanks for joining in.